Hello from Myrtle Beach. We are here to share with you the opening of a brand new entertainment destination here in the Myrtle Beach area. It is called, as you can see, Stars and Strikes. We are going to go in and take a look at everything they have to offer. Hi, I'm Carmen, and if you're new here and you enjoy Myrtle Beach videos, you are in the right place. And if you're a return viewer, welcome back. So glad to have you. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me. It is super loud in here. So they have got a fun birthday area up there. They have got all kinds of games. I'll walk around and show you some of the games that they have. But let me tell you, they've got everything you can imagine. All different types of fun games that are fun for the whole family. Different types of, they even have some type of coin pushers. A little bit of everything. This looks fun. It's like a kind of, you know, shooting you would do at a fair or something like that. That's fun. That's very similar to skee ball. Really giant Space Invaders. Halo. Definitely a lot, and this is only a small part of their arcade type games. I'll show you another section as well. And then they also have laser tag here as well. Here's the Willy Wonka coin pusher that I mentioned. That's fun. Brian and I are a big fan of coin pushers. Let us know in the comments below if you like coin pushers as well. So they do have a winners club. This is where you can come and pick out your prizes. We've got a lot of options in here for prizes if you're interested. Everything from small candies to bigger items. We've got a man cave sign. And in this arcade section, they also have a concession stand. So they've got, in addition to having a restaurant and a bar, they've also got concessions. And here's some of the pricing information if you're interested. And then if you can't find enough snacks here, we also have another new opening to announce here at Myrtle Beach. It's the Crazy Mason. They were already open over in the Market Common area, but they have moved over here. We are at the Coastal Grand Mall right now, and they also have a location at the Coastal Grand Mall now. So definitely check them out there if you're looking for a milkshake. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to give it a like and a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. And then over here is the other section with all of the arcade games that I mentioned. So yeah, if you're into arcade games, this is definitely a great place to come. We've got all kinds of stuff here.
Get ready for Zombie Lagoon.
And they do have a full bar, and they also have a restaurant. They serve food as well. Got quite a few beers on tap as well as a full service bar. And then over here is the Lasertron axe throwing. I did see that you do have to sign a waiver to participate, and if you're under 18, you do need a parent or guardian with you to participate, which is not surprising. And then let's go up and take a look at the bowling alley. They also have a very special bowling alley here. As we pass through the restaurant here, though, I want to show you this. I love this. This is one of those virtual servers. So it looks like a little cat, but it's actually a robot that can bring you your food, which is pretty cool. And then they have this really nice eating area over on this side. And we've seen several birthday groups here today, so they definitely can handle birthdays. So if you're looking for a place to have a party, this would definitely be a good place to do so. So here is their bowling alley. As you can see, it is massive. It is a big bowling alley. And what's really cool, I don't want to interrupt anyone's game, but I don't know if you can see it from here, they actually have little graphics on the lane for the bowling, and those change as you roll your ball down. So it's sort of like an extra game within a game. They also have all kinds of sporting events up on these giant TVs over the bowling lanes as well. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.